Good morning to you, St. Vincent.
Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time.
Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a adventure day. First of all, I live in a country. Beautiful landscape, pretty, everything. Now that I finally got back my bag, it's time to do adventure the right way. We're currently on a hike to a waterfall called Will Be Free Falls, and we have Raj, and then we have our tour guide up there, Smiley. He's going to be taking us there to the falls, so I'm pretty excited because I haven't been to any water since I've gotten here. Excited. Pretty, and it's raining, of course. Alright, you hear that? It's a nice spot. Could I swim right there? Bathe right there, so. Sit down right there, so cook. Yeah. I was researching that there are over 100 waterfalls here. Is that true?
That's true. the over 100 and some, they are being counted. But you have some that have not been discovered as yet.
Oh, so there's more.
Yeah, there are more, yeah.
Know about the which one is it again? The main ones you can find.
Oh, so like Dark View.
Yeah, Dark View.
Dark View is one of our main.
And then you have the Berlin.
Yeah, Falls of Berlin.
Falls of Berlin, yeah.
Yeah.
And Trinity.
Trinity Falls.
So those are the main ones.
Yeah.
You have off-beaten waterfalls like this that we're going right now.
Right.
Okay.
This one is now starting to get popular because much people didn't know about it. But as time goes by, a lot of people will know.
Okay. Nice, I can't wait to see it. They said that it's 5 waterfalls leading up to it?
About 6.
6?
Yeah. But if you count that all is in the mountain, there are more than 6.
And I know you have 3 you can swim in.
About that, yeah.
About 3.
Yeah.
The third one is the last one that we're going?
The big one.
Yeah, the big one.
Is what we're going on.
Okay.
It have one, as you cross the river right there, it have one right up to the top. A nice way to swim in, but it's not deep like how Will Be Free is. Yeah. That one is called Haksha Falls.
What's it called?
Haksha.
Haksha.
Yeah, Haksha Falls.
What's the name? What are these names? Who came up with these names?
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure. I would like to believe that the person who found them give them the name. But I'm still trying
it's kind of similar to Jamaica because that's what we do as well.
But I'm still trying to figure out who gave the name Will Be Free and what's so interesting why it name
Will Be Free.
Will Be Free. Even all here you could cook.
Look like a nice spot for cooking. Guys,
so you have to cross the river right here. And go up here.
Oh, we're crossing?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna cross now. I think I'm gonna put the GoPro to work. just crossed that river a while ago. So far it's going good. Yeah, man. Nice. So we just passed 2 falls. So we have 4 more left. Yeah. Oh, you're telling us that our rivers in Jamaica bigger?
Yeah.
Okay. Banana. I cut them off and boil them.
Yeah, I'll call banana fig here too. We have different names for them. We have fig, we have banana, we have grandma shell.
Oh.
We have baffle bay.
Baffle bay?
Yeah.
The fig baffle bay.
So we have different varieties.
Ah, a lot of waterfalls here. Nice. That means if we're stuck here, we can survive, man.
Yeah. We have banana, we have william. We have water.
We have guava. Good. Look on here. Are we halfway there yet? Or no? So we're what? 15 minutes in? Oh, more than that?
Yeah. Like 25.
Okay, 25 minutes. Not bad. What's this?
Berry.
Berry?
Yeah.
Blueberry?
I guess.
You
But
can eat?
not- yeah. Just tell me what it tastes.
You just eat it like this?
Yeah.
How's it then?
Ah.
Guys, found the raspberry. Wow. And that's one.
Yeah.
This sweet.
I guess I want to make for you.
Yes, sweet. It's really nice though.
Where do I find this?
On the tree.
It almost have a fresh kind of sweet taste.
Yeah, it does. It's raining. Soon pass.
There's some far more rain than Portland.
Yep. Every day rainfall from reach. No, here. In Portland, Jamaica, rainfall in about here. Cool, look. Now look funny, man. I'm not giving no eyes. This is a tricky thing because I can't see under the water because the rocks are dark. Oh yeah, I've seen it now. Whew, thank you.
Some of them is kind of good one to step on.
Yeah.
Then you ready to run.
Oh yeah, it's hard, not hard, and hard to see. And it's slippery.
No.
That's slippery?
No, some of them.
Another 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel like we're in a rainforest.
Yes, I feel. It looks like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Literally. So we're 5 minutes away from the falls. We've been walking for almost an hour. I think more than an hour. Hour and a couple minutes. But we made pretty good time. So we just can't wait to see the falls. We're almost there.
Are you walking in the kitchen? Wow. Every day eating fine watermelon.
We left our stuff down there because we can't take our stuff to the falls because there's no space. Alright guys, so just went into that little falls. We just came from the big one. You couldn't hear me because it was too much noise, but we are about to eat some fruits. Well, a vibe. We'll still leave, but we have to go eat with fruits because we've been hiking for like an hour and a half or whatever, and we just went straight into the water. So now we're here. What's that now? Oh yeah, local cotton chips. What flavor? That's quite nice. We got the unsalted one.
Like, she had different flavors, She have like non-salted, salted, spicy right from all this.
This nice. The spicy salted, nice. The spicy salted is a nice flavor. And it's locally made. So Sonia love me. In between? They're bitter. So you got the pineapple that we bought from the market. Raj can't wait, watch him. And then Smiley got me the pineapple. This is so cute. I love this one. This one look better than that one. This look good.
Yeah. Sorry, the play finger.
It was nice.
Yeah.
But it not give me. So we have sorrel, cheese. Oh man, you set way up good, man.
Yeah, this time we're supposed to come to Sydney, so like, it's like, you don't have nothing to do.
Yeah, okay, I get you. I get you. There it is. Finish. No. Could be sweeter, but it's better than that one. Okay, sweeter.
Huh?
Not bad. It's like the more you go up, it gets sweeter. For us, it's when from the bottom, it's sweeter. That means that this go right through. Yeah. Fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, star fruit this, but we only call it 5 finger.
Yeah.
Alright, what is it?
I look out of name.
Yeah, it tastes like star fruit.
5 finger.
5 finger.
That's good word.
Fi-
Good word name.
nice.
Potato all the way.
Which one is?
Guava.
It's a guava, right? Did you taste this?
Yeah?
Taste the guava. Me I taste this. Oh, the guava nice. Because I want to make it look, it's them sell it locally.
Yeah. Like what do
I love it. Yeah, I love that. I want to look young though.
Try it, no? Hello, what are you doing? Get off my land. Was he always here? What? Papa, what's going on? These people. Yeah, nice nearby.
No.
One second, this umbrella. This is one.
You want one, Smiley?
Yeah. One a big enough for you? That one there, one. A shopping.
Shopping. Ah.
You nice, huh?
That's so cool.
I don't know who would have cut down a jackfruit tree.
No, let me see.
Somebody cut down a jackfruit tree with young jackfruit bunny. Look right at it.
And then I want this.
Why didn't cut it down?
And I want this. No more than one maybe no panic tree.
Only going around that's the boy green.
Green more than one day.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
It's right too.
Why would they cut it down?
I have no idea.
Somebody
Alright guys, so we just touched back base. We had a wonderful time. Shout out to our tour guide, Smiley. He was amazing in showing us the place. He gave us a little insight around the areas. So I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna check you guys back at the Airbnb, so just stay tuned. Hey guys, so just got back from the waterfall. It was great, had fun. It's a great feeling to be exploring different countries and the culture and the different rivers and waterfalls. So I love that. We're just relaxing right now. I'm gonna be cooking soon. I'm gonna be cooking some chicken fricassee with quinoa. Other vibe that we feel like we want today, because we purchased chicken the other day at the supermarket, so you know we're just making use of it. Raj and I haven't gone fishing as yet, so we don't have any seafood right now, and we're not gonna buy it in the store because we know we're gonna get it when we go fishing, so we'll never buy none of that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. But I'm just relaxing. It feels so good. The vibe up here is so peaceful, and the only thing I'm hearing is birds, little dogs. That's it. Cause we're a little bit high in the hills, so you not really hear much noise. And I think we're a few minutes from the city too, so that's good too. But yeah. Oh guys, I've been drinking this ever since I got here. It's the flavor plum rose splash. See that? You know our Jamaican apple, they call it plum rose. in St. Vincent. So it's pretty cool, and it tastes really good. It tastes really refreshing too. I've been drinking it ever since I got here. But everything has been good so far. Now that I got back my bag, I feel like I can do so much now adventure wise. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully something. I'm really hoping for something. But yeah, I'm feeling good about this trip so far. Keeping positive and see where it goes. But I'm just gonna be relaxing a little bit more and then start cooking. Nah, I don't wanna move. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. So these are the basic seasoning. Just I do a rundown. So we have all-purpose, more all-purpose, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and paprika, and coconut oil for base, just to make sure everything sticks. Now I'm gonna cut up the seasoning to add to it. I think we have pimento. I don't even see it. Bought some pimento from home as well. I wasn't sure if they have pimento here. And when we went to the market the other day, they didn't have any. So, sweet pepper. Some tomato. I like to take out the middle. So they said that this is the hottest pepper that they have. See? But honestly, I don't really taste the heat. It's not really hot, to be honest. I'll know when I taste the heat. But we're gonna use it still because they don't have any other pepper. Okay, we're gonna add in all the seasonings: pepper, garlic, onion. That's it. That's it. Just gonna add it. Okay, so we have sweet potato and we have Irish potato. So you see, like I said, you know, they're not really different from Jamaica. They just have limited stuff, but them have the good ground provision then. So I'm gonna add these to the chicken. So I just peel the potato here. So I'm gonna peel the sweet potato. Interesting. I never see it so white before. It's white. It's not even yellow. Hope it tastes sweet, you know? Because see what go on. Alright. I know they have coconut oil here, but I had to bring just in case. Yeah. All right. $15.20. All right, guys, so just finished some chicken fricassee with quinoa, plantain. But hold on, let me taste this first. Nice. But I really hope you enjoyed today, and I hope you enjoyed this little cooking that I did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like you wanted to, like you